Welcome back to Cooking with Chef Mark's Knife Skills course. This is a series of videos that I've taken from the vault. I recorded them many years ago, and they were available only to my early paid subscribers, and I'm making them available free to you now. And you can check out the whole story on this video right here that tells you kind of the whole history of Chef Mark and the Culinary Media Network. Today we're going to learn how to cut root vegetables. So let's just get right in on that.
Now, of course, I'm doing a turnip, and again, this is has the same shape as an onion, but the same sort of thickness as a carrot. And I'm going to show you a quick trick for anything that's shaped like this. I've taken off the ends, and then look, I've got my peeler, and I can just go straight down the sides and quickly peel it. You know, sometimes with an apple, you're going to go that whole long route, and it's a lot of work, but here, you sort of just quickly go down the sides, starting from the end as a base. Use my thumb on the base here, and I just pull through until I've taken off all of the skin. And then on the bottom there, you can just kind of go through like that, and I've got a beautiful naked turnip. Looks lovely. Okay, got my hemispheres, just like an onion. Now in this case, I might want to just have discs. So now these are lovely for maybe a salad or something. See, these pieces all sort of came together, so I can set them aside there, and I can do my julienne strips there. Okay, so again, got my julienne. So I've got discs, julienne strips. Some of this I'll use as a fine dice. Alrighty, and then of course, you know, most of the time you're using a turnip, you're going to use big chunks. So we can get our nice large slices, and I'll show you what I do. I really like this. See, I use the shape to work towards it, and I do that. See what I did? So see, it started off as 4 slices. I took 2 and 2, set them side by side, and I'm using this straight edge to hold it together. And then I can go through the same size, big chunks here. Okay, turn this over. See, they're holding themselves together. It keeps, see, I can use my claw to keep the entire stack in one. Okay, I've got nice chunks of turnip. This is going to be great in a stew or with roasted winter vegetables, anything like that. So nice even-sized chunks. Big chunks, discs, julienne, and fine dice.
Okay, I hope you learned something new today. Our next lesson is all about herbs. So I'm going to show you how to mince herbs and do a chiffonade of herbs. And that's in our next lesson in the Cooking with Chef Mark Knife Skills course. So check it out. We'll see you soon.